Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video. I'm Dr. Farahat Ali and you are watching Dr. Square. In the third video of analysis interpretation series, we are going to learn that how we can interpret the tables of Pearson correlation analysis. Pearson correlation analysis is one of the widely used analysis technique in social sciences research. Pearson correlation analysis tells us about the two things. One is the direction of the relationship and the second is magnitude of the relationship. I have a Word file where I have already got the output of SPSS Pearson correlation analysis, and we will see that how we can make the hypothesis of this test, and then we will see that how we will interpret the results or tables of Pearson correlation analysis. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start. This is the output of correlation analysis in Word file. If you want to learn that how you can make this table according to APS style, the link will be available above the video. You can click on the link and you can see that how you can make the correlation table according to APS style. Let's start with the hypothesis. Here I have two variables. One is life satisfaction and second is perceived stress. So our null hypothesis is there is no relationship between stress and life satisfaction, and the alternative hypothesis is there is a relationship between stress and life satisfaction. Please keep in mind that these both hypotheses are non-directional. If you want to make a directional hypothesis, then you can use the word of there is a positive relationship between stress and life satisfaction, or you can make there is a negative relationship between stress and life satisfaction. As you know that when the stress increases, life satisfaction decreases, so you can use there is a negative relationship between stress and life satisfaction. So if you want to see the what kind of assumptions are required, these are linearity, outliers, normality, independence of observation. The major assumption that you need to check is linearity. And how we will write the results of this table. As you can see, perceived stress is related with perceived stress with one magnitude, and the second, the perceived stress is negatively related with life satisfaction, which means that if perceived stress increases, the life satisfaction will decrease. Here, this value tells us about the three things. One is the direction of the relationship, which is negative. Second, this is the R value, small r value, which shows the relationship between two variables. It's 0.494. If this value is between zero point 0.1 to 0.29, then we can say we have small relationship. If it's between you can say 0.30 to 0.49, we can say we have medium relationship, and if this value is 0.50 and above, we can say we have a strong relationship. Here in this case we have a weak relationship, and we uh, also can see that it's a significant relationship. If you will see here 2 steric, it means the p value is significant at 0.01 level. If you see 1 steric, it means the value is significant at less than 0.05. If you see 3 steric, it means value is significant at 0.001 level. So in this particular case, it's a significant value at 0.01 level, and you have 433 respondents who responded you about the perceived stress and life satisfaction. So how you will write the results of this table? You will start with the Pearson product movement correlation was used to check the relationship between stress and life satisfaction. You can mention we check the different assumption and all assumptions were met. Normally we do not write these things in research paper and thesis. In thesis might be you can use it because you have a lot of space there, so you can use these kind of things like which assumptions were met or not. The result shows that there is a negative, medium, and statistical significant relationship exists between stress and life satisfaction, or small. You can use it as r is equal to minus 0.494, comma p less than 0.01, and then n is equal to 433. Or here n shows that it's a sample size Thus, our alternative hypothesis is accepted. So this is the interpretation. If you want to use Pearson correlation analysis for your thesis or dissertation or in your research paper, you can make it more, concise and short. Like you can write that there is a negative, medium, and statistical significant relationship exists between stress and life satisfaction, which means that a higher stress leads to lower life satisfaction. This is the way that you can write the results of Pearson correlation analysis in your thesis and dissertation. I hope you have liked this video. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel, share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.